This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back. Happy Monday. This is Not Your Advisor. Let's jump into today's very boring markets, but we do need to cover some breadth and sector analysis. But since there's not much going on as far as dynamism, I wanted to talk about Lake Mead and Hoover Dam in Las Vegas, Nevada. Apparently there is a hidden city, St. Thomas, which was originally, started by Mormons who are going west. And then once the dam was commissioned, that city was pretty much flooded on purpose underneath the filling up of Hoover Dam and Lake Mead, right? But with the water levels dropping, it's coming back like an Egyptian city. So take a look at that. I find it fascinating. Bookmark this number in your brain when the water level at Lake Mead falls below 895 feet. Las Vegas has already built and invested billions of dollars to pump water locally when everyone else can no longer pump. Think of it as a straw that is lower than everyone else's straw. What will be interesting is if we get there, if the existing laws that puts California above Las Vegas, if they're going to try to go after the remaining water because they can't suck from that straw, whether it's trucks shipping the water from Lake Mead to California and the farmers, or a brand new pipe that's even lower than Las Vegas's to extract that water out before Vegas because of their superseding legal rights. That is something that's quite interesting to me, and we'll see what happens. So take a look at some of that research, or the photos at least, and you can Google or use AI to research that. There were 144 new highs today on breadth versus 86 new lows, 40% advanced versus 57% declined, 45% below the 50 as well as below the 200. Not much change there. There were 19 profitable NASDAQ companies making new highs across healthcare and technology. In the NYSE, there were 17 across financials, tech, and energy. But when you look at sectors, energy led the way markedly, up 3.5%. Then you had healthcare at 1%.
We can't forget that this is just a small taste of the in-depth analysis that Not Your Advisor provides. They don't just throw numbers at you. They connect the dots, find those hidden trends, and help you understand what's driving the markets.
If you want the full picture, you got to check out the full Not Your Advisor episode.
Don't forget to subscribe to notyouradvisor.com.
And all their premium content. I mean, it's like having a direct line to what's really going on in the market.
It is. It really is. They cut through all the BS and give you the kind of info that you just won't find anywhere else.
Think about this. Investing is all about making decisions that work for you and your goals. You're the one in control.
Not Your Advisor can give you the map, but you choose where you want to go.
And with that empowering thought, we'll sign off. Happy investing.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.